guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to share a few items that I've listed recently. And I'll share this little image that I colored up. This is from Lawn Fawn's new release. A few images from their new release. I colored this up for the 30-day marker challenge. And I was keeping up with it so good. And now, I didn't color yesterday, so today I have to color twice so I can keep up with it. But I wanted to show you the cute little image and all the markers that I used to color that tiny image. Is this crazy or what? So here are the markers that I used. And then I used these two colored pencils for added detail. I just thought I'd share that really quick. So I hope you guys are having a good weekend so far. We are down to 2 rolls of toilet paper. And I'm not looking forward to going to the Walmart because of all those stories I've been seeing with the rolls, the toilet paper aisle is empty. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to that. The last time we went to our Walmart, which was maybe like 5 days ago or something, we picked up some groceries and it looked fine. There wasn't like aisles empty or anything. So I don't know how it's going to look this time. We will see. We will see. So I wanted to show you this paper. This is from 49 Market, and I decided to open up and show you. And then I saw how high quality this paper is. It's super, super thick. So if you like thick paper, you are going to love this. The paper is as thick as the top sheet, practically. Look at that. It is like thick. I mean, it's probably like 110 pound or more. I mean, it's really thick. It's beautiful. This one is the natural. And I like how it's so subtle. Like if you don't really want like, you know, a lot of designer paper and you like your cards more clean and simple, but this is like so subtle and it'll just give a little bit of texture to your card. And you can make some beautiful 6x6 cards with this. Just take the whole sheet of paper and put that on your card front. It's gorgeous. Let me keep these in order. So let's put that like that. Really, really pretty. So I just wanted to show you the paper really quickly because it's really thick. I wasn't expecting that. Super pretty. And I think that the design's double. Yeah, so I wanted to show that. I do have it in sage, which is really pretty. This is the sage, and this one is the sky. So it's like a light blue. And then I picked up some of this. This is the Hero Art Sampler Pack, and it's a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, so perfect for your card base. Already cut down with heavy weight, solid core sheets. They're smooth and thick, ideal for a card as a card base, and perfect for stamping, it says. So I only have a couple of those left. Most of these I only have a couple left, maybe even one left, because I've had them listed for I think think a couple days now. This one is from Hero Arts. This is the Lavender Fields. These are really pretty. So if you've seen the finished cards for these, they're really, really stunning. So they're layered stamps. So it creates like dimension and stuff. And this is a lavender field. And then they got some other little stamps on the side here with sentiments. Brighter days are ahead. And then we've got with heartfelt sympathy for someone special. Thanks a bunch. You grow more beautiful every day. And here's a sample on the back. So it'll show you here on the back that what colors to use for each stamp to get this look. And it's a big, very, very, very large stamp set. I think it's a 6x8, so that's why it's more expensive. And then this is a newer one. This is the sunflower fields. It's got a little windmill, a little prop plane, a fence, a little barn, some birds, a cloud. And then the sentiments read, wishing you a sunny day, sending you a little bit of sunshine, and fly high. And the back, there's the sample on the back. So you get an idea what kind of colors to stamp each one. And this is new from them. This is a 4x6 stamp set, and this is the Lake at the Lake stamp. It's called Layering Pier at the Lake. So again, on the back it will show you stamp this and this one to get this. And then you get the silhouettes. Life is better at the lake, and jump in are the sentiments. And then we've got, let's see, we've got another one. We've got two more. So we've got this one, it's a mountain set. Let's see, this one's called Layering Mountains at the Lake. So you can see what to stamp each one in to get this effect here. We've got the sentiments. It's your birthday, relax and enjoy. Greetings from my happy place. Wish you were here. And then this very, very large 6x8 stamp set. This is the bookcase one. Look at that beautiful bookcase. So many books and pottery. There's a camera, glasses, all kinds of things up there. And then we've got your cat. He looks grumpy because there's no room on the bookshelf for him. And then we've got a little mouse with a book, clock, those nesting dolls, a little seashell. And then there's all these little sentiments here. This book belongs to, hello, magical, dream big, thank you. Hey there, my library with love, you're special. Returned by. And then we've got new from Waffle Flower. I thought this was super cute. It's called Puppy Power. Look at all the dogs. They're so cute. So you can make all these. Look at that guy. He's up on his head. Isn't that cute? This is really cute. And then there's some single ones here. The little puppies. A trio. And then we've got 4 of them. And then we've got we are family, friends forever, and you are. Super, super cute. I have one left of the brick stencil by Dark Room Door. I restocked the Sweet Shop by MFT. Super, super adorable stamp set. Love that. And then I restocked these. So we've got the Peekaboo Fair. So we've got the bundle. So when you buy the bundle, you get a discounted price. And then I did bring back the single in case you didn't need the die. And then I brought a single in for this one in case you didn't need the die. I also have the die bundle for this one if you wanted the bundle. And then two new little... The recording stopped somewhere, I'm not sure where, but the little ice creams are super, super cute. These are little sprinkles from Dress My Craft. So adorable. Look at that. You get a ton in there. They're super thin, so you mix them with your sequins. This one has a little sticker, so I can't open it, but this one is little teddy bears. You can see the little top there with the little teddy bears. Let's see at the bottom here. Isn't that cute? Cute little teddy bears. So two new ones. Don't forget to check out our Inspiration Hop video if you haven't already. There's a giveaway. There's $25 up for grabs on that video hop. All you have to do is leave a comment on each video. I'll be pulling the winner real soon. Today is Saturday, so I'll probably be pulling the winner on Monday. I have everything listed down below, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you real soon. Bye, guys.